I'm Serena, and I'm a certified baker at Panera Bread. I was working in fast food. I loved my customers and I loved my work family, but the environment wasn't the greatest. And so I found out about Workforce Connections and how they offer baking and pastry programs. I really have a passion for baking, and so I went to try to pursue that. So I did the job readiness workshop program, and it was to help you learn how to dress and prepare yourself for an interview, and they would help you with being able to go find professional looking outfits if you don't have any of those types. They also helped me with my resume and knowing how to format it and describe your skills and your previous work histories, as well as job research for a specific company you might want to be applying for. They had us do an assessment test to see where we were at with our math and reading skills. After completing the readiness workshop, I had a mock interview for the possible interview for the scholarship that would hopefully pay for the Institute of Technology program. And I was able to go from there and start enrolling in Institute of Technology and get started on the baking and pastry career. I was in pursuit of a new job from my fast food job, and I started looking preferably for anything in the bakery area since I was already going to school. And I have found that Panera Bread was hiring for their bakery. At Panera, we make the bread every day fresh, as well as the pastries. The company, they'll bring in these large, almost fridge-like things. We call them transports. And it'll have all of our breads that we have to pan up. So we put the frames, or if it's not something that's a framed item like our baguettes or ciabattas, we usually we'll stretch them and shape them. But we also will shape and frame the other breads like our tomato basil, and we'll frame those, throw them in our proof box so they can come to size. And then depending on what it is, we'll finish topping it off, whether it's scoring them or adding that crumb topping on the tomato basil, which is my personal favorite. When I started Workforce Connections, I started after I had some weight loss surgery. And so I am not physically able to consume really heavy sweets, or else I will not feel physically good. I'll feel a little sick. So ideally, I wanted to open up my own bakery one day that would kind of generate towards the keto sugar-free side, but also still have all of those yummy real sweets. I would 100% recommend Workforce Connection. I would recommend you do your research first about which program you would like to pursue. Overall, their help and ability to get you to where you want to go was excellent, and their staff was so friendly and very professional, and they just want the best for you. And so if you want the best for yourself when you go in, you're going to get the best for yourself when you leave. I would love to thank Fresno Regional Workforce Development Program, as well as the chefs, Chef Kevin, Chef Edith, the teachers at Workforce, Kevin, my caseworker Carmen, my old caseworker Nikos, and my mom, who I love dearly.